What is up, guys? Right here we have a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This is probably one of my favorite builds that we have done here. This is a 2.5-inch rough country lift kit on a 20x9 fuel Contra gloss black milled with a 0 offset. We also have the 275/55/20 Nitto Terra Grappler G2. It's an all-terrain tire, so it's going to be really quiet for you on the road. Great for highway driving and also off-road performance. These Grand Cherokee builds are, like I said, one of my favorites. They look awesome. They ride even better. But check this out, guys. This is the inside. So you have 4-wheel drive here. There's different terrain options that you can select. Where you can have your sand, snow. You do auto, mud, or rock. Park assist, auto off, eco, sport mode as well. Cool display. You also get charging ports, USB, and a 12-volt dock as well. You can turn the screen off if you'd like, if it's too distracting. This thing is really sweet. So much room for groceries. Look at all that. Look at all that space. This thing is awesome. So like I said, the wheels and tires on this is the biggest combination we can fit on the 2.5-inch lift kit. The lift kit that we use comes with wooded struts in the rear. You know, it's a complete full lift kit. This is really sweet. If you guys want to build just like this one, come check us out. We're located in Frederick, Maryland. 301-694-4642 is our phone number, or you can come right to our address at 301 East 4th Street, Frederick, Maryland.